How to exchange crypto to cash on Cash App. To exchange crypto, bitcoins, or any sort of asset to cash on Cash App, you need to follow these steps. First thing first, you want to open up your Cash App onto your device and go to Money tab from the home page or from the home screen. After which, you want to go ahead and tap on the Bitcoin tile. Next, you want to tap on Sell and select the amount you wish to convert. As you've done that, you want to review the exchange rate and fees. Up to the 3% fee typically applies, and enter your PIN or a touch ID to confirm. The converted USD will instantly appear in your Cash App balance, and that is how you will be able to exchange crypto to cash on Cash App. And if you want to withdraw cash to bank, you just want to go to the home page and select banking or balance, select the amount and type in the amount and select cash out, enter in the PIN, and that's how you're going to exchange crypto to cash on Cash App. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.